Unlock your potential today at skillbakery.com.
This one will learn how to handle complex state in Jotai with XState using atomWithMachine. So Jotai has a primitive and flexible API. Because of this, it's up to you on how you manage your state within an atom. Sometimes your state is complex enough to warrant a sophisticated library or safer abstraction. This is where you can install XState to your application, and Jotai will work seamlessly with the state machine that you define using atomWithMachine. This allows you to consume the machine like any other atom in your components with useAtom. So here in our package.json file, you can notice that we have installed X version 4.28.0, and here we have XState inspect and Jotai as well installed. So you have to install these packages in your React application. And then we'll head over to our app.js. So here you'll notice we have imported a couple of things like create machine from XState, inspect from XState/inspect, and atomWithMachine from Jotai XState, and useAtom from Jotai. Now, here we are seeing inspect, which is obviously coming from the XState inspect, which allows us to have a debugger kind of thing with us, which will be actually rendered over here inside this iframe, which has this attribute data-state. Now, here what we are doing is we are creating a machine. Now, this machine, as you can see, has an ID as an initial state and then a set of state with events. Here you can see that the states are green, yellow, and red, like a traffic signal. And then when it's on the green, then the next is mentioned over here as yellow. So yellow will be called when you click on green, and so on and so forth. So this is the machine that we have created. This machine has got states and events associated. And the event that we have over here is called next. And this next event changes the state. So this will be one of the simplest machines. We create an atom using the defined machine. So here, as you can see, we are creating this atom using atomWithMachine, and we are passing this traffic machine, and then we are also saying def2 set to true. Now, over here, using our useAtom from Jotai, we are using this atom that we have created, and this has got this state and send. So whenever this handle click event will be called, we are sending this next event. And when we'll do that, it will render the next color. So here in our SVG, you can see that we are creating a circle. Now this circle has the fill value with the state.value. And then on click, we have the event handler. So the value, if you notice over here in our traffic machine, is the color basically. So whatever color we are passing is going to be over here, and then on click it will change it to the next one. And here you will notice the value in text as well. So this is the SVG that we are creating. Now we are rendering this inside the app function. Now if I run this one, you'll notice that we are having two windows over here. Top one is the actual SVG. So here you can see the value green as of now. That's the text block of the SVG. And then the color or the circle that was filled using the same value. If I click on this one, you'll notice that the next event is now occurring. So the current one is yellow now, and yellow has got this next, which is pointing to red. So if I go and click on yellow again, it is going to take me to the next one, and then it's targeting the green one back. You can see the values over here as well. So here you can see the state, current state value is set to red, and context as of now is not defined. And here we have our event set to type next. Now if I go and click on this next one over here, you'll notice that it changes to green, and now if I click next over here, it goes to yellow. The same thing can be triggered from this place as well. So here I can go ahead and select the next event. If I click on send over here, you'll notice that it goes to the next one, that's red. So what we have done over here is we created a machine with create machine, which is a pure XState way. Then we use atomWithMachine to define atom with the created machine, and then we use the atom like a normal atom in Jotai. Changing the state will also show up in the DevTools, and the changes are in sync both ways. If you find the video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.